Once the bee had saved me. Today I saved it. I have returned the favor. She won't harm me anymore. Avantika, you will live long. Actually, I was thinking about you.
Forget it, tell me whether Kapalika is dead or not.
Yes. I saw it with my eyes. She's dead. She lost her life.
Hi, darling.
Who is he? There are so many women here. Whom did he call darling?
The buffalo? All the wild animals come here just like that. As if I have opened a zoo here. Why has he come here?
Now we have the real snake gem. Mark my words. The enemy will attack from everywhere. If something happens to me, then he would come forth. My Mahesh.
This means the old man got into trouble last night. Did he die? I guess he did. Otherwise, Mahesh wouldn't have come here.
Darling, I know that you are angry with me and you would say that I am a cheater, but I swear I'm not. Because I love you a lot. Please give me a chance to prove my love, please. Huh? My cutie pie. My girlfriend. Huh? Let me prove it to you that we are made for each other. And in order to prove it, I will stay here with you in this house. Why? Darling, I can stay with you, right?
Excuse me? Who are you?
Yes, why not? My house is not just a house. What a guest house. I have so many guest rooms in my house. You can stay wherever you want to. You can stay as long as you want to. Have a nice time, dear.
Who is this new guest and why has he come here?
Thank you very much, Miss Yamini. I knew that you would let me stay in your house for sure.
Ruchika, come on. Give him your hand. Give him a chance. He wishes to prove his love. You just have to give him a chance. Come on.
Alright, since Aunt Yamini is insisting, I'll give you one more chance. Prove whatever you want to. Then first, I will deal with that fat woman. Then, with this buffalo.
Thank you very much. You are so sweet. You are so cute. I love you very much.
Well, Rocky, he's the son of a very close family friend, Mahesh Suri, and he's my darling grandson, Rocky.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. I'm pretty surprised actually. Ruchika didn't tell us about her affair. But you know what? I'm really happy. I'm happy for both of you.
Well, and she's the daughter-in-law of this family, Shivangi. She's Rocky's wife. She's his better half, his companion, Shivangi.
Ouch!
What happened? Are you alright?
Sorry, I got a shock. Perhaps it's because it's the first time she's meeting with a stranger. Or perhaps it might be due to the sudden touch. You never know.
Static.
Yeah, right. By the way, I'm full of energy, full of life, and full of colors. And full of a lot of things. It's not visible, but it's there.
Now, who is this man? He is a friend of my enemies.
Let's go. We have to leave in 15 minutes. I mean, we are going home. We are going back. We are going back to Mumbai.
Of course.
Mumbai.
Yes.
But if you go to Mumbai, then what will I mean, I have to prove my love to her.
All right. You can prove as much you want. I'm not leaving you here, okay? I'm taking you along. I had told you that my house is more of a guest house. I had told you, remember? Come
Thank
with
you.
me.
Thank you very much, Miss Yamini. Even you are so sweet.
Oh God. I had worn this sari that day when I was born, you know.
Hey, you melodrama queen. How many times were you born? And were you born wearing a sari?
Hey, black serpent. I had worn this on my birthday. Do you animals have brains or not? I was looking like Cinderella in this sari. Now you will ask me who Cinderella is, You won't understand all this. You are a serpent. And she's a sweet girl. And this sari, I had worn this sari when
The day you died. Hey, you fatso. If you pack in slow motion, then 118 years will pass by.
Hey, serpent, I
Stop this drama of yours. Just tell me, why is that buffalo here?
Buffalo? I know. Yes. I remember Anki had told me clearly that if anything happens to him and if he dies, then his preceptor, the buffalo, I mean his Mahesh will come here. And he's come.
That means something had happened to that Anki too.
Just now this fatso said that he is dead. Did he die?
It's quite possible. Great. He is gone. Now we are free from the trouble. Good.
And his buffalo has come home.
Forget about him and think about the snake gem. The snake gem was with Anki too for the last time.
Yes. Correct. I didn't think about it. You are correct. He had the snake gem that night. Then now who has it?
It's with me.
Huh? have it. Prove it that it's with you.
So you want me to prove it? Okay, fine.